In this video, I will be showing you how to fix "this YouTube version is obsolete, switch to youtube.com" error. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome on my computer and type YouTube into the search bar, pressing enter to pull up the search results. I then click on the main YouTube link to open the website. If you are experiencing issues or seeing an obsolete version error, a great first step is to clear your browsing data. To do this, I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From the drop-down options, I scroll down and select Settings. Once in the Settings page, I navigate to the left side panel and click on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, I click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up window appears with options for clearing data. I ensure the time range is set to All Time, check the appropriate boxes for browsing history, cookies, and cached images, and then click the blue Delete Data button at the bottom right. Next, it's a good idea to check if your browser needs an update. On the left navigation menu, I scroll down and click on About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and let you know if your browser is up to date. Another factor that might interfere with YouTube is browser extensions. I click on Extensions in the left side menu to view all active extensions. Here, I find the enabled extension and click its toggle switch to turn it off. After disabling extensions, I return to the YouTube tab to see if the issue is resolved. If you want to test whether an account issue or cached data is causing the problem, you can also try using incognito mode. I click the three dots in the top right corner again and select New Incognito Window. In the New Incognito window, I type YouTube into the address bar and press enter, then click on the main YouTube link. Once on YouTube, I click the Sign In button in the top right corner. I enter my email address into the field, click Next, enter my password, and click Next again to sign into my Google account. Signing back in with fresh browsing data and extensions disabled will ensure YouTube loads properly without showing the obsolete version message. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.